What's going on YouTube? WestHobbiesRC. So today we are back with the SAB RAW 580. This is the second flight, well, third flight on it since I went to Vbar. The first two were just tuning. You guys seen the tuning flight we did with it. So this will be an actual enjoyment flight. So we are going to go ahead and spool up. Standard RAW, my original RAW 580 that I built a long time ago. Torque Minis, 1208s on cyclic, 0704T on tail, Hobby Wing 120, X Nova 45, 25, 1180 kV I believe it is, and Superior Air 6S 5000. Vbar Neo. So we are going to flip off throttle hold. Hitting some grass, a little windy today. Feeling really good since the tuning flight. We're in bank one. So I don't remember what the head speed is, but I believe it was like 1500. Rototech 560s, or 580, sorry. Bank 2. Feeling great though. Tail gain's a little high.
Battery 60%.
So I gotta drop that tail gain just a little bit. But I mean, all in all, it's a very solid machine. It's still one of my favorite. You just feel so connected with it. Such an incredible flying helicopter. Superior Air 6S 5000 is doing good. Almost screwed that one up. Back into a lower head speed. So we gotta drop that tail gain just a little bit. Yeah, there it is. There's that shaking.
Battery 20%.
All right, so we got to lower that tail gain. But other than that, it flies, feels really good. All my cyclic wobbles are gone. I'm happy with it. Love my Raw 580. Hands down, still my favorite helicopter ever made. All right, battery is low.
1,795 milliampere-hours.
All
Motor
right.
off.
5-minute flight, Success 5000, mixed head speed. Well, we only went from bank 1 to bank 2. And almost crashed it right there. I screwed that one up, dumbed it, but I was able to recover. That is the important thing about flying, is always fly that thing until it hits the ground. And you don't stop flying it until you crashed it, because you can always recover, always muscle memory. So it's always a good thing to do. But there you guys go. Another flight on the SAB RAW 580. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Remember, Patreon and PayPal are linked in every video description if you'd like to help support me. Take care and have a great day.